Some of you might want to try creating Word documents with different paper sizes, including A4, legal portrait, and legal landscape. The process is very easy. Watch this tutorial to learn how. As an example, I'll create 3 pages in Microsoft Word. On the first page, I'll change the paper size to A4. To do this, go to the Layout menu, select Size, and then select A4 paper size. Then, let's move to the second page. On this second page, we'll set it to legal paper size. To do this, place the cursor on the second page, then go back to the Layout menu and select More Paper Sizes. Page Setup will appear. Change the paper size from A4 to legal. Then, in the Apply to section, change from whole document to this point forward and click OK to save the settings. The second page will change to legal size, but the first page will remain A4. Next, on the third page, I'll change it to legal size but with landscape orientation. To do this, place the cursor on the third page and then go back to Page Setup. Then select Margin, then change Portrait to Landscape. After that, in the Apply to section, change from this section to this point forward, then click OK to save the settings. The third page will then change to landscape orientation. So, easy, right? Hopefully, this tutorial is helpful. Good luck, and see you in the next video.